Hello, Brainessers, and welcome back. I'm Essa from Brainesse, and I hope you're all doing well. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic in mental health. Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your brain when you're feeling stressed? It's more than just a feeling. Stress triggers a powerful chain reaction, affecting your thoughts, your body, and even your long-term health. Let's break it down together. How stress affects your mind and body, and what we can do to stay balanced. When you face a stressful situation, like an argument or a sudden noise, your brain's alarm system kicks in. It starts with the amygdala, the part of your brain that detects danger. If it senses a threat, it quickly alerts the hypothalamus, your brain's command center. The hypothalamus then activates the sympathetic nervous system, triggering the fight-or-flight response. Actually, this alarm system is designed to help you survive. It worked well for our ancestors when facing predators like wild animals, but today it gets triggered by everyday stress like work pressure, traffic jams, or social conflict. Once the hypothalamus detects a threat, it immediately signals the autonomic nervous system. Adrenaline surges through your body. Your heart begins to beat faster, pumping more blood to vital organs and muscles. Your breathing becomes rapid and shallow to bring in more oxygen. Muscles tighten, preparing you to either confront the danger, escape it, or freeze in place, hoping to avoid detection. This is what's known as the fight, flight, or freeze response, an evolutionary survival mechanism designed to give you a better chance in life-threatening situations. But while your body gears up, your brain is also on high alert. The amygdala, your emotional alarm system, stays active, scanning for danger. At the same time, the prefrontal cortex, the part that handles logical thinking, takes a back seat. That's why stress makes it harder to think clearly. Your brain and body are focused on one thing: survival. After the initial alarm, your brain signals the adrenal glands to release cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. Cortisol helps you stay alert by increasing blood sugar and sharpening focus. It's essential for short-term survival. But when stress lingers, high cortisol levels start to harm the brain. It can shrink the prefrontal cortex, the area for thinking and memory, and enlarge the amygdala, which controls fear. This makes you more reactive to stress, creating a cycle that can lead to anxiety, poor memory, and trouble concentrating.
When stress becomes chronic, it starts to change the brain's structure. One of the first areas affected is the hippocampus, the region responsible for memory and learning. Prolonged stress can cause it to shrink, making it harder to remember things or absorb new information. Meanwhile, the amygdala, which helps detect threats, can grow more active and sensitive. This heightened alertness makes you more reactive to stress in the future, even when there's no real danger. And over time, the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that manages focus, decision-making, and self-control, can begin to weaken. That's why, under constant stress, it's harder to concentrate, make choices, or manage your emotions. The result? You may feel more anxious, more forgetful, and more emotionally exhausted, without even realizing that stress is the root cause. The good news? Your brain is remarkably adaptable. This ability is known as neuroplasticity, your brain's capacity to change and rewire itself throughout life. With the right habits, not only can you reduce the impact of stress, but you can also begin to reverse some of its negative effects. Simple practices like deep breathing, regular exercise, quality sleep, and mindfulness meditation help calm the amygdala and strengthen the prefrontal cortex, your brain's center for focus and control. Even short moments of calm, a deep breath, a quiet walk, or a mindful pause can give your brain the reset it needs. Small habits, repeated often, can build a more resilient, balanced brain. Stress is a part of life, but understanding how it affects your brain gives you the power to respond with awareness, not fear. Your brain is built for resilience. It's designed to adapt, to survive, and to grow stronger through challenges. And every small step you take toward calm helps it thrive. A deep breath, a moment of silence, a walk outside. These choices matter more than you think. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share this video with someone who needs it. Stay curious, stay calm, and see you in the next video with Brainesse. Bye!